154, 154.
All right. You good? Go ahead and check the sub cooling.
-4.
All right, let me reset this. I might need to charge this up. What, say -4 on the sub cooling? Okay, we got the unit off right now. All right, hold up. Let me reset it first. Okay, go ahead and turn it on. Just gotta push it up. We got warm air. Let's take out pressure. What time you got? What time is it?
10:47.
47. Okay. You remember what the pressure was earlier? Before we went and got the refrigerant?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I think I was looking at it. Okay. Yeah. But you see your saturation, see that 23 right there?
Yeah, it can crease low.
Yeah. That's below 32.
Below 32.
Okay. I think it's a piston up there, I'm not sure. But we're gonna do a rule of thumb though. It's about, we're gonna try to get this, let it do its thing. I think it's probably about 78 back there. 75, 78. So you can get your suction, this suction right here, you can get it to match your thermostat. They're gonna get close.
It was a 68 up there.
Huh?
It was a 68.
The thermostat? No.
It was set.
The set point was 68. We're talking about the actual temperature.
It was 70 something.
Yeah. Okay. So go ahead and charge it up. Yeah. So that's your suction right there, right? Yeah. That's how you're gonna charge it. The other way? Yeah. Go up. Yeah. So just let that sit maybe about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So we're trying to get that. So you see right now you got it open. So we're trying to get that above 32. And then kind of watch your scale too, because your scale gonna let you know what you're doing. You gonna see it should start going up. There you go. Yep. You can close it, put it down.
Alright, it went up now. 35.
Put a little more in there though. Crank it on up, let it go. Put it out, go all the way to 1 pound and then check it. So right now we got 5 ounces. Seven ounces. You want to put it in slow. Matter of fact, go to 1.5 pounds.
Pound and a half?
Yeah. So you got 16 ounces, that'd be 1 pound. So now you got 1 pound. All right, go ahead and check it now at 1 pound. See where you at. Okay, looking good.
46.9 and 79.
So we're gonna let it run. Let it run about 5 minutes. Right now, 10:51. Let's check it at 10:55. We're looking good. I wish I would have told you to check the superheat before we charge, so you can kind of see where it was. There you go. All right. Oh, son. Let's settle. 38.3.
38.
Yeah.
No, skip one. Let's just wait till 10:55. Let's just wait for the 10:55.
Yeah. Since these gauges is like this, I think you can go to device. But these should be able to go in Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, I wasn't able to connect.
Yeah, I had to go to settings. Let me see here.
Wireless?
Yeah, it should be wireless, and they got Bluetooth. I don't know why it's not coming up.
There
Okay,
it
it just popped up. Okay. So now, all right. So I'm gonna show you how to get your target superheat one day, but you got to get the wet bug. But this ruler, we're gonna try to get this. Right now, your superheat about 34 degrees. Get around 20, about 20, 25 should be good. Because I'm sure when we started, that superheat probably like 50 or 60.
60?
Yeah. Your subcooling kind of high, but this generic fan, we watched the coils. I think it's a piston up there, so I'm really not too concerned.
Okay.
But we don't want our subcooling to be too high. 16, okay.
About right.
Yeah.
The superheat.
We don't want
it should be lower, no?
Yeah. We want to get the superheat. Yeah, superheat should be lower.
Yeah.
Subcooling should be lower, but like that's a whole unit. Then I think it's a piston in there.
DV48. We good with that.
Yeah.
Temperature.
What time it is? 10:54?
10:51.
All right. So go ahead and go back to the scale. Add about another 5 ounces.
Oh, there.
Yeah. All right. The tape right there. And keep it right there. I don't want that. I don't want to overcharge. Subcooler, yeah.
That was the 16 or just went up?
So it's for 1.5. Yeah, we let it run about 5 minutes.
11. You see what it does.
Yeah, very hot out there.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't want this air too hot.
You just like underneath.
So get the temperature probe and then do a temperature differential. And then get the drill, see if maybe we can tighten these up a little bit. Yeah, get your delta T right here. It's gonna go up. It's hot air from right there. I think we 880-300 ain't too bad for R22, but we might need to take about an ounce or two out. I don't know, man. I'm poor.
I mean, they're
clean them
pretty bad. I mean, I watched them, but
so we got 1.5 in there. I believe it's like 1.7. EV
is 49.8.
Yeah.
Subcooling is a 20, low 19.
Yeah. Superheat 26.
26.
298. Be alright. Yeah, we ain't gonna put no more. We can wrap it up. Good job.